Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a VPC with subnets and route tables, a reachable public IP for your on-prem router, and the inside tunnel sitter you will use. Create a customer gateway resource using your on-prem public IP. This tells AWS where to expect the connection. Then attach or create a virtual private gateway and attach it to the VPC. Once done, you have the AWS endpoints ready and can start the VPN connection resource creation. Now create the site-to-site VPN resource linking the customer gateway and virtual private gateway, and choose static routing or BGP. Pick BGP if you need dynamic failover. After creation, download the tunnel configuration for your device. Pick the vendor template when available to avoid manual errors. Configure both tunnels on your on-prem router, apply pre-shared keys, and update the VPC route tables to direct remote sitter to the VGW. Make sure tunnel IPs and ASNs match exactly. Finally, validate connectivity by checking both VPN tunnels in the AWS console. At least one tunnel should be up for high availability. Test reachability by pinging private addresses across the tunnel and confirm BGP sessions and route propagation if using dynamic routing. If things fail, step through common culprits: mismatched pre-shared keys, incorrect tunnel endpoint IPs, phase 1/2 crypto mismatches, firewall rules or NAT interfering, and missing routes. Resolve.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.